Hello friends, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So, in today's tutorial, we are going to see what are the potential issues Spotbugs will identify when you are writing a code related to file reader. Okay, so before all of them, let's discuss what is file reader, what is Spotbugs. Okay, this Spotbugs is a plugin basically that will analyze your entire code and it will gives you what are the potential issues in your code. That is the spot bugs, like some memory leakage, some sort of things where our our IDE are not smart enough to identify. This will identify, and if you follow this, this will produce a really cool, really clean code basically. Okay, and coming to file reader, let's say I wanted to read from a file, then I will use file reader. Now in my code, let me show you my code here. Okay, so here if you see related to this, there is a file reader, there is one issue is there, and there is another issue as well in file reader. Okay, so let me show you that code first. Okay, here this is a code guys, and here I am using the file reader basically. Okay, and there were couple of issues are there when I am doing like this. Okay, so what it is doing is simply there is some maven reader is there, it is reading from this POM file with the help of file reader. That's it. You don't need to understand very deep into this. Our context is different basically. Okay, so I'm using the file reader here. There were two potential issues. One is a high priority issue, second one is a medium priority issue that you need to look into this code. Okay, so what are those issues? I will discuss now. First one is whenever you are using a file reader. Okay, first get inside it, then do something called control F12. Then you see here there were two constructors are there, two parameterized constructor, not two, there were more, but you could see here character set is also there, right? So basically what you need to do is instead of passing this string, of course you need to pass it, but also you need to provide a character set here. That is very important. That will gives you a understanding on how you wanted to read this file. What are the potential characters that you are wanted to allow? Okay, now you see here I have this UTF right? So let me use that. Okay, this is a high priority issue, guys. You should remember this one thing. When you are reading from a file, you need to ensure you are providing the character set. This is the first thing. And second thing, are you closing the stream? File reader is nothing but a stream, right? Are you closing it? No. This is also a potential issue basically. Okay, so what I will do is instead of this try catch, sorry, instead of this throws, let me surround this in try catch. Okay, uh, okay, so let me put something like this, try and catch. Let me keep it as of now some in some exception. Okay, e dot, let me keep it in print stack trace. But whenever you are you know reading from a file using a file reader, this is nothing but a stream. You need to ensure you are closing the stream basically. Okay, so let me create a object here. Again, let's say file reader is equal to null. Okay, and this everything, let me put it here, like file reader is equal to this guy, and in reader I'm passing the file reader. Okay, now there I will use a finally block, and here file reader, like if file reader not is equal to null, then I will close that file reader dot close. And this also you need to put it in try catch basically. So surround with try catch. Okay, this should be sufficient, guys. Now let me try to show you whether we are getting those issues or not. Spot bugs, and here in spot bugs, let me verify them. I think two issues should be resolved here. First one is a character set, second one is closing of the resources. Okay, this is a very small tutorial, guys, but I would strongly suggest you guys to follow this standard. There were 7 are there as of now. We may clean up IO reader. Okay, batch line number 23 here. Acha, I think I need to build one more time and do this. Let me do that. Yeah, guys, now you could see those issues related to files. This is application version, right? Those were not presented. Now you could see those were gone because of this one high priority issue we resolved, one medium priority issue also we have resolved. Hope it's useful.